Good evening, good evening, good evening, family. I've started to braid and band my hair because I'm going to wash it tonight. I am going to shampoo my hair. I feel like I've been sort of neglecting my hair because I've been taking care of some other people's hair. I'm going to stop now and just say thank you. Right now, I want you to know that I am grateful. I'm grateful to God for His blessings in my life and how much these changes that have come about has been only for the best. I am grateful to God for all of my subscribers that I have. My new subscribers, as well as those that have been sticking in there with me, hanging in there with me for some time now. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for commenting on my videos. I really appreciate it. I plan to shampoo my hair tonight, but also at the end of this video, you will see where my husband did another length check. He checked the length of my hair maybe about 5 months ago, and there has been some growth. I am going to put a link to that video in the cards right up here. If you want to see what my length was 5 months ago compared to what it is right now, then you can click the link in the cards right up here. This is where I'm going to put it. There's been a lot of changes in my life in the past year. Made decisions based on what I believe God wanted me to do. I've retired from the field of education. I have started my business, Excel Locks and Natural Hair. And if I must say so, I'm doing quite well with that. I started in my home. I have moved to a salon. And the experience on my first day, which was July 1st, was quite amazing. Quite amazing. I was able to minister and be ministered to. And I thank God for that. Now, I'm not going to talk to you too much this evening. I'm going to go ahead and braid and band my hair. I'm not going to make you watch while I braid and band all of my locks. But in the next clip, you'll see my husband checking the length of my hair. Again, thank you for watching. I pray God's blessing upon you all. Thank you for joining the Gene G family. And if you have not joined the Gene G family yet, please click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will know every time I upload a video. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. But I especially love God because He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Thank you.
picture on my timeline. Picture